He had given up on the world. Lao Tzu spent decades as keeper of China's imperial archives. He watched kingdoms rise and fall. He watched men chase power and lose everything that mattered. Eventually, he decided civilization was beyond saving. So he packed what little he owned and rode west toward the wilderness, planning to disappear forever. But at the border, a guard recognized him. The guard refused to let him pass until he wrote down whatever wisdom he carried inside. So Lao Tzu sat down, and in a single sitting, he wrote 5,000 characters, the Tao Te Ching. Then he crossed the border and was never seen again. Here is what makes this story cut so deep. The man who believed the world was not worth saving accidentally gave it one of the most read books in human history. He was done with humanity, but he left the light on anyway. Sometimes the wisdom you think no one needs is exactly what the world has been waiting for.